Hello everyone, Alex is here again. I'm away from home, somewhere in California mountains, near a lake, which is still blue in case you were wondering. And today I would like to talk about not so technical topic, how to make more money as a MySQL DBA. If you are already one, I bet you are doing well even now, so why bother changing anything? And I believe there are a couple reasons for that. First of all, you would probably like to continue doing well, right? And you would like to secure your job as databases professional. In today's environment, things are changing. There are new products, there are new technologies, there are new ways to manage the databases. Besides, the landscape of MySQL databases changes. If many years ago we had just one MySQL instance serving all databases needs, today we have thousands of instances. They grow in numbers, they grow in size. So we need to adapt to this new reality and we need to be good at it. And the second reason why would you want to change anything, I believe, is time of changes offers you huge opportunities. And if you ride the wave, I believe you can bring your quality life to the next level. Let's go. A good cup of coffee is the most important thing in our profession. If you want to be an engineer, you have to think as an engineer. So, amount of money you make is a product of time you put into the job and your effective rate. Even if you are a full-time employee, you still have some effective rate. If you want to increase amount of money you make, you can either increase number of hours or increase the rate. Number of hours is out of table. You still want to maintain healthy work-life balance. So the only option we have is to improve our rate. Now, the rate is what you can do and how good you are at. A job of MySQL DBA many years ago was drastically different than it is today. I used to have one or couple MySQL instances, and it was my responsibility to make sure that there are backups, there is monitoring. I had to give recommendations for developers to how to use MySQL database more efficiently. Fast forward several years. At some point I told my colleagues that, look, we are not DBAs anymore. We spend on the traditional DBA work only a fraction of our time. And most of our time goes into writing software. We write Python to maintain our databases. When a company is looking for somebody to manage their MySQL fleet, they're actually looking for a person who would fulfill two different roles. On one hand, it's a role of traditional MySQL DBA who knows performance configuration, query optimization, all that legacy stuff. On the other hand, they're looking for somebody who can write code because, as I said before, most of the time we spend writing the code to manage large number of MySQL databases. I think it's good for the career to be a good DBA who knows ins and outs about MySQL database and learn software development. That will allow you to stand out over the crowd of other infrastructure engineers. So what I plan to do is to make a series of videos about technical aspects of my everyday work. So stay tuned and I look forward to see you again in the next video. Take care.